We are here at Alicia Public Market. I am here at Alicia Public Market and I'm still waiting for my mga kasama ko. Hindi pa dumarating. Coming na. Ayo. Sorry. Kailangan namin ng water. Ayo. Siya aliwaros kayo mo. Balay. May birds oh. Wow.
Yapin mo ko sa vlog ng Czarina. Tago ko bi.
Wala na akong makita. Sorry kayo sa disturbo. Tina mo'y tubig. Nabilin magtubig sang kaumpa.
Naapurubog na ra ba ma'am?
Okay ra?
Gagmay ra.
Okay.
Kasi walang water sila guys. Naiwan. Sila yung kasama ko. Loy, this in Tagalog din kay. Bisig natin mga fans di na Tagalog.
Para yung mga subscribers mo na mga Tagalog.
Yes, o diba? Ito yung mga influencer ng Alicia.
Wow.
Diba?
Kaya naman ako doon.
Thank you, Ten.
Like 20 lang each.
20 naman.
Ansay money sa China, yuan?
Yeah, yuan or they call it RMB.
So magbayad jud karon og yuan.
Actually, iniwan ko yung mga sobra ko RMB.
Thank you.
Wala si Mervin ro no? Kuyog siya ginabangga.
Unsa sila?
Ito biyang uyan. Lago ng patuon niya. Ito naman siya. Most of the time.
Guys, the one you see that sparkle, that's the light of their homes. It's the city lights of Alicia. I don't think we have a sunrise. It's cloudy. And my phone is not good.
Dili lagi klaro. Bisan sa akong phone.
Oh? Lamda ganinon imo.
Pero di siya klaro.
Agad ako agyod.
Anya nako pinaanay tarong.
Sunrise is slowly. Guys, the peak is foggy. Nakita nyo yan guys, medyo nagfa-fog na siya. And sunrise is here. We gotta move fast.
It's been a year since nung last kami umakyat dito. Actually,
yes.
Kami dalawa lang yon. Tapos sinama namin to sa district kasi it so happen na umuwi siya.
Hi guys. It's my first time to climb here in Alicia Panoramic View.
Yeah.
Pala.
First time niya kaya halos gumapang siya doon sa baba. Mamaya may video.
Hindi ko nakuha.
Actually, I have it.
Okay.
I love you din po. Pang dagdag view din kayo eh.
Oo. Dito para minik ang giwat. Congratulations, Dave! You made it! We are at the peak at what time? What time right now?
35.
So it took us an hour?
Yeah, just an hour, but I think we can make it even earlier.
Oh.
Not only for him.
Not for me.
Blame me.
O, diba? Not bad for first timer. Go, Nick. Yes. Kuya Benji, who is guiding a foreigner.
Well, yeah, he's guiding a group of foreigners. I think there are 3, right?
Yes.
What's their nationalities?
France.
Oh,
They're
French.
all French.
French
bread.
French bread.
I'm wondering if they really know how to do the French kiss.
Kala.
Because I had a couple of visitors before and I asked them about the French kiss. And they're
then?
actually not you
into
know,
it.
they were actually not
They're into it, but not for you.
no, they actually said they really don't know why it was called French kiss because even French like them, they don't really like doing it. That's what he said.
Okay.
So, well, I'm wondering which is which.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that's just my one piece for this
Trivia
morning.
for this morning. Top 1 mark.
Oh, it's a video?
Ay, damn, na video. Guys, subscribe to his channel and subscribe to
my
his
channel too, Lakwatserong Echosero.
Byahero.
Byahero, okay. And one of my friends, guys, had a full storage on his phone, so he can't do a vlog. We're going down now. Hi everyone.
Hi.
We are at Byahero's home abode.
Yeah, it's a work in progress. He's turning it into a mansion.
Yeah.
Layunas mansion eh.
Ito. Sila.
Ito ano mo kaya? Sige, sige. Larga. Larga mula.
Breakfast, hotdog, pot, buwan, and egg.
Larga.
Banana. So we'll be eating first. So after breakfast, halo-halo agad. Only at Alicia's Best Restaurant and fries. French fries without the French.
But we have French.
Dom's
French,
Byahero
really.
and
Lakwatserong Echosero.
Lakwatserong Echosero.